Hi guys, for this video we're going to make a cake. No need to bake. This is Helen telling you more. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Wanna know how I make it? Let's go! So the ingredients, we need the Aero chocolate, or you can use any chocolate you like. We need the Sara Lee cake, and we need the thick cream KDD. So first we're going to melt the Aero chocolate in a pan, and down is the hot water. Then we add the thick cream KDD until it will get melt. So it will be like this. Then we're going to cut the Sara Lee cake. Then in a Pyrex we're going to spread the chocolate that we have melt, or the sauce, and then we're going to put the Sara Lee cake on it. So simple as like that. Then we put again the sauce on the top. So we just spread the chocolate on the top. Then after that we're going to add another layer of the cake. You can add more layer if you want, and you can use any cakes you like, any flavor. Then we're going to add again on the top. Then we can use any model you like. You can put the flakes or chocolates on the top, then put it in the fridge and serve for about 1 hour. That's all, and thank you for watching.